All right, now we are going to add a discussion. A discussion is going to be a great way for you to either start a class so you can see where they have time stamped their start time, or if you just want to kind of get their thought processes going before they start information, or even at the end to see what they think about the material. A discussion has a lot of great value when it comes to online learning. So let's go ahead and we are going to click on add resources and we're going to add a discussion. You're going to title your discussion like we have been titling all of our other resources. So we are going to title this practice discussion. And let's just come up with a quick rubric or a quick topic for us to discuss. What are you most excited about with learning Schoology? Okay, and you can add a rubric to this if you would like. This is all the same text editors if you would like to add any kind of extra pizzazz to your rubric, or to your discussion. If you want to add an image where they would maybe upload an image for their discussion, you can add that as well, whatever you would like it to be. You can add a rubric if you would like, and you can also align it to different standards and objectives if you would like as well. When you click submit, this will then submit as your discussion, and this would allow your kids to go ahead and have that discussion, and then you can add that to a class.